How y'all not gonna tell me my wig was fine back? What's up, beauties? Welcome back to our channel, back with another video, back with another banger, back with something that hopefully you want to see. Today I did this fall brown smoky eye because you guys voted on Instagram that this is the one that you wanted to see. So baby, I give the people what they want, okay? Period. Before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and if you like this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I came on here with my eyebrows already done, and honestly don't come for me. I haven't gotten done since before March, so this is what we're rocking with. So I'm going in with this Morphe 35V palette, and I'm just going to start with a regular transition color like I always do. I mix these two colors together as always. My mirror's right here, so that's what I'm looking at. Also, I already have my concealer on as an eyeshadow base. So make sure you prime your eyes, girl. A little bit of depth. So now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Morphe palette. I'm going in with Smooth Criminal in my crease. Don't start off with too much, just build it up. And y'all, this look is inspired by Nessa. So definitely go check out her tutorial. It was very informative. Like, she did some stuff that I'm gonna have to try and see how it affects my makeup, because I've never seen it before. Like, she used Milk of Magnesia as like a sort of primer after her original primer. She said that helps keep the makeup from getting oily, so I definitely want to try that out and give my review on it. So y'all, I will say it's looking very cool toned, and if you like yours like that, then this is definitely just an extra step. I just want to show y'all. I'm sorry, I'm gonna build up this one some more, but if you like the cool tone smoky eye, then definitely skip the next step that I'm about to do. But I personally am not just a huge fan of super cool tone smoky eyes. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go back in with one of the transition colors. You see how it's giving like orange a little bit? I'm just going to go in with that at the top just to bring some warmth back into the color, because the next brown is going to be cool tone as well. This look is super cute for fall. That's why I wanted to go ahead and do it, because fall is just now getting here. Well, it's been here for a few weeks or whatever, but baby, the temperature has not shown it at all. So I'm really not late. Ooh. So now I'm gonna go in with this brown on my lid, and I'm gonna listen to what Nessa said. She said to just like pat it and don't try to like blend it out for real, because if you do that, then the color is just gonna get too high. But yeah, I shouldn't have tried to use this brush. I'm gonna go for a brush that's like this, because it'll be easier to apply. And so I'm just gonna pat that on, swirling it around. Okay, so this is a lot of brown I should have been using in my crease. Y'all see that? It's definitely more warm tone than the one I have. So clearly this brown is not going to be dark enough, and that's okay. I'm just going to do the same thing to both eyes so it looks the same. I'm going to be using Prowl from the Jaclyn palette. And I know this is gonna be dark enough. So don't be scared of it, girl. Tap the mess on there. I'm just using the other brush to start blending that out. And I'm gonna keep building that brown color up. Now I'm gonna tap my blending brush back into the smooth criminal color and go around that to blend it out. Build this brown color up, baby, because that's what's gonna do it. Y'all, another super easy way to do a smoky eye is to get whatever color liner, like a smudge liner that you want it to be, whatever color you want the smoked out part to really be. That's what color your liner needs to be, and you just draw a line as close to your lash line as you can really get it, and then you use a brush to smudge it out. And that's how you get like a really deep color on your lid versus having to continuously go over some eyeshadow 3-4 times until it's dark enough for you. And I'm just going in with the same smooth criminal color. If you're gonna keep blending, like, you can either use a brush that doesn't have any product on it, or you can blend out that transition color that you were using, period. I'm gonna show you my lashes. So these lashes are by LASH Beauty. I'm gonna tag her in the description box. You guys, make sure you go check her out. The packaging is super cute. I'm gonna show you both lashes. I got one giveaway actually, so I was excited. I never really win giveaways. And this is a lash style. I don't know what style it actually is, but they're super cute. And then, so those are the ones that I'm gonna be wearing. And then this is the other pair. How cute. And what really sells me is the freaking packaging. Like, oh my gosh. That'll be linked down below. Make sure you go check her out, period. I'm gonna put these lashes on so y'all can see what they're talking about. Oh my goodness, have I had this on my head the whole time? Y'all just gonna have to ignore it. I mean, I don't know what else I could say. Yeah, it came up. That's what happened. It's just been sliding back the whole video. When you first take your lashes out the pack, I hope y'all be getting that little factory glue off, or whatever glue. I don't trust it. How y'all not gonna tell me my wig was sliding back? Y'all, if y'all struggle putting on lashes, let me tell you, the easiest way to do it, boo, is to use a compact mirror or a handheld mirror like this. You put it under your eye. You look from under so you can see where you're placing it. And you put the thing on. Lash, no lash. Y'all let me know if y'all like seeing videos where you do your whole face and they watch you do your whole face, or if you just want to click on the video for what that purpose of the video is as far as makeup goes. Okay, period. So I'm gonna do my foundation real quick off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the finishing touches on the smoky eye. The way you really want to finish out this smoky eye is by doing a waterliner with like a dark brown. This is the only like pencil type of thing that I have. If you want me to see it, that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in my waterline with this. Y'all see the difference? You really probably want it to be darker than this. You definitely do. But this is fine as far as it's all I have. Girl, I used to love to pull my doggone eye down and put some waterline on. Don't do that if you don't want wrinkles. And I don't know who want wrinkles. You want to lightly push up just so you can have a little bit better access to the waterline. So we're just gonna go in with Prowl, the darkest color that we use on the lid, and smoke out bottom lash line just to really finish up the smoky appearance. Bottom mascara face. And under my brow bone, I use the same highlight that I use on my face, so I'll link that down below. Baby, this is crisp, okay? Using the Anastasia Glow Kit, the OG. I'm just gonna go in my inner corner with, I think I'm gonna use Golden Dawn. And if you really want the color to pop, you know what you can do with the brush. The most proper thing would be like Fix Plus spray or something. Alright, I'm gonna add some Amber Golden Hot Sand because I'm not feeling it. Now, for lips, I don't have a brown liner that's dark enough, so I use Rihanna's Fenty as a lip liner these days. And I don't even trip off of it because the way that she made the applicator brush is in a way so that you can line your lips with it. A genius. We love Rihanna on this channel, so don't come for her. So the next color that I'm going to use is a MAC Viva la Glam color. I'm sure they have one very similar to this. This one, honestly, I don't even think I should be wearing it due to how old it is. This is the color. It is so freaking pretty. Just like that. Probably just want to go with a clear gloss. I don't have a clear gloss, so this one has a little pink in it. I'm just in a gloss these days, so you could leave it like this if you want a matte lip, but I don't. So this is the finished look, guys. So if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up, share it, tag Nessa in the comments, and don't forget to click that button and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're updated every single time we post a video, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.